On this episode of Custom Fab Garage, we're going to be talking about a full custom Mini Cooper transformation, basically, is what we want to put it as. This is going to be a multi-episode or a multi-part series. This Mini Cooper was probably one of the biggest projects I myself have taken on. It has went through many different stages, as you want to say. It started out as a black exterior car with a tan interior. It started out also with lowering springs with bad struts. It had a set of 18-inch Brayton wheels. Tires were pretty much shot. The car was purchased basically with some modifications done to the engine, looked like an exhaust, some modifications to the bumpers. Obviously they had put the lowering springs, they look like eBay lowering springs with some blown out struts. I had just some few minor modifications when the owner actually had bought it. It's a 2004 with only 40,000 miles on it. So this car has a very large story behind it of what it went after that. The owner basically wanted to use the car as a demo car or a car to kind of show off the work that he does at his custom shop. I had been doing work for him, so this was myself and about 3 to 4 other people that had put their hands on this car to kind of start it off in its first stage of what it was going to be. This included taking out the whole interior and switching out the tan interior for black, also covering a lot of the parts in suede, doing a full custom system in this car, including full trunk build out. All the audio had been changed and everything that we had done to it, air ride, and also a full wrap and wrapping some of the other exterior parts like tail lights and headlights and things like that. So there was a lot to be done to this car. We're making this episode basically to show off the first stages of what this car did. Basically the wrap, basically the audio, things like that, before it fell into basically what I want to say a bad situation. The car took a really long right turn and just went in a really bad direction. The car took a few months in the first stage to build, and it turned out amazing after it was done. There were some small things, but nothing huge. And after that, it all went haywire after that. We'll put it that way. This video is just mainly going to be the intro to all the new videos that are going to be coming out. So this video is going to kind of show just the beginning stages, and then we'll keep going on with episodes. This could possibly be 8 or 9, maybe even 10 episodes, or a multi-part series just to show all the different stages of this car.